All right, so next let's set up our curtain wall type. So let's see if we can make that work. Let's go to a plan view. In this instance, we'll go to level 1. All right, and we'll go SD. Well, actually, you know what? I'll stay in hidden line for right now. And I'll go over to wall and I'll go to architectural, and I'm already set, but I have to go down normally. You'll probably have to go down and grab that curtain wall 1. We're not going to do anything with that. We're going to edit that type, and what we're going to do is duplicate this, and we're going to call this louver infill, and this is going to be our infill. Actually, we'll call it horizontal louver infill, because we may want to create a vertical one later, right? So this is horizontal louver infill. All right, so I'm going to hit OK. And so now what we need to do, the first thing we want to do is when it says the curtain panel, what is it here? We're going to set it to empty right now. That way it's not going to try and fill it with anything. So we're going to set it to an empty system panel right now. And then when we go to our vertical grid, we're going to leave that at none right now because we don't want any verticals, right? But we do want horizontals. So we're going to set this horizontal to maximum spacing, right? We'll set that to maximum spacing, and we'll change that to 0 space 3.25. So the 3¼ inches. And then we're going to set the vertical mullions. Again, we're not going to have any because we don't want vertical mullions. But in this instance, we have horizontal mullions. So we're going to come in and go down to the one we created, right? And when it comes to the one we created, let's go ahead and put in our rectangular mullion. I believe this one right here, the 0.25 1/4 inch by 4, and we'll hit OK. All right. So I want you to go through and do that. Remember, just to give you a chance to look at the settings one more time, going to wall and horizontal louver infill to see what the settings actually are. So we've got the empty system panel here. We've got none for vertical grid. We've got maximum spacing for the horizontal, right? And then we have nothing here for the vertical mullions, but then we've got that louver, that 1/4 by 4 inch right there. That's what we want to use for this one, okay? So I'll go ahead again, I'll stop the video, I'll let you get caught up, and we'll pick up in the next one.